If you want to invert your artwork or create a negative mask, if you're using rapid mask, you could just select your artwork and go to Transform, Invert Graphic, and you will have these options here, how big you want your border and what color you want your border. So I'll use a 1/2 inch border in black, click OK, and just like that, my artwork is inverted. Another option, if you have your toolbar set up with this invert graphic icon, you can just select your artwork, click the button, set your offset and your color, and click OK. Just like that. Easy as one click.